Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you a content creator looking to step up your video game? Or maybe you're just looking to improve your home videos? Either way, this FeiyuTech Vimble 3 has got you covered. This Vimble 3 is a portable gimbal for smartphones that allows you to take incredibly smooth and professional looking videos and photos. There is definitely a little bit of a learning curve figuring out how to use it and all the features, but after a little practice, I was able to get some nice shots. You can use this with your smartphone's camera app, or you can use it with the FeiyuTech On app, which allows you to access additional functions of the gimbal. So there are the 3 axis points for pan, tilt, and roll adjustments, and each of them is equipped with a brushless motor, so it is really effective at stabilizing your phone. Weighing in at under a pound, the compact and folding design allows you to really take this anywhere. It even includes a telescoping function, so you can take the perfect selfie. It also has an included tripod and a carrying bag to keep it all together and for easy storage. The Vimble 3 easily charges via a USB-C cable, and the charge can last up to 10 hours. It quickly pairs to your phone via Bluetooth. The Feiyu On app gives you the ability to set zoom points, to track faces or objects, and to lock in angles and return to them really quickly. So I have just loved getting to use this gimbal and learning all the features, and it is just amazing how much more professional and smooth my videos look. Taking action shots or shots where people or something else is moving is so much easier now, and my movement does not carry over into the footage, so it's really, really awesome. So if you are in the market for a gimbal for your smartphone, definitely check this one out from FeiyuTech. It's compact and it definitely steps up your video game, and that is my point of view.